One, two, three.
Hello everyone! Today I have a delicious recipe for this easy pinwheel pull-apart bread. It's only 6 ingredients and it's super easy to make. Full recipe will be on my blog and the ingredients are in the description box. So to start this off, we're going to keep it super simple by using crescent rolls. They are accidentally vegan, which is really awesome. So just open them up and then we're going to take out this big sheet and just roll it out and open it up completely. And then I'm going to take a knife and cut right down the center so we're left with 2 smaller rectangles. Then you're just going to use your fingers to kind of push and pinch the dough together so that way everything is super secure, and flip it over to do it on both sides just to make sure you really got everything pushed together nicely. Then we're going to sprinkle some garlic powder and red pepper flakes and parsley flakes over top of the dough. I didn't measure this out. I would say probably about 1/4 teaspoon of all 3 of them just to give some extra flavor. Then I have 3/4 cup of vegan mozzarella and I'm just going to divide that evenly amongst the 2 rectangles. So I'm just going to spread some out, eyeball it, and push it down onto the dough. And then we're going to top it with some vegan pepperoni. This is from the brand Eve's. I also know that Sweet Earth makes one. And I'm just going to layer about 15 pieces on there, 3 rows of 5. And you can find substitutions for this on the blog post if you can't find vegan pepperoni where you live. We're going to repeat this whole process with our other half of the dough. And then we're going to just simply roll it up as if you were rolling a cinnamon roll. You can just kind of tuck and roll it all together and just kind of push and squinch and it'll start to form into a log. And then just give it all a good pinch. Make sure it's super sealed up so that way nothing kind of slides out. Some of those cheese shreds will pop out, but don't worry, we'll take care of that in a little bit. So you're just going to roll up the other half again. And then I lost the clip of this, but you're going to cut it into 8 even pieces, just like that. And then we're going to take a 6-inch springform pan and we're going to line it with parchment paper on the bottom. I did a little bit of cooking spray and then you're just going to put the little rolls all in there, all the little pinwheels. Then you could take any of that vegan cheese that fell out and just pop it right on top. And now we are just going to bake this until it is golden brown and cooked through completely. Make sure the middle parts are cooked through. And then this is the beauty of the springform pan because we're just gonna pop it open once it's cooled for about 5 minutes. And how beautiful, nice and golden. Please make sure that center is cooled. And then we're just going to top it with some red pepper flakes and parsley, and that's all you have to do. And this is such an easy and beautiful looking little appetizer. Serve it up with some tomato sauce and you're all done. I love that this is a really easy appetizer snack idea. It's not too big because you're not getting too many servings out of it, and it is delicious and it's easy to make. I love that it's only a few ingredients, and I think it is a great idea to serve for the Super Bowl if you're gonna watch that. And yeah, I hope you try this out. If you do, let me know down below. Tag me on Instagram with your recreations, and like I said, full recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box for that. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.